Hello everyone, so I'm Saurabhi Das and I have done my bachelor's in journalism and mass communication. I have graduated last year in 2019 and since then I have been into content creating and writing. So I would like to thank Smileo for giving me this wonderful opportunity, and I'm so glad to be able to help these guys, like a wonderful initiative they are putting on. So all the best to Smileo and my best wishes to it. So I would like to go further with my own experience. So basically I am a micro influencer right now, so I'm not that much of a level of an influencer right now at the very moment, but I am sure that in some future I will be there, hopefully. So basically I started this thing when I was in my third year of college, so it was last year. Okay, so I started this because I always had this passion to talk to people, like create amazing things. I was always like, my head was full of creativity, and I always wanted to create something very unique for my listeners or audience or viewers. So I myself always craved for, like, amazing fashion content and amazing travel blogs and everything. So I was very much into fashion and beauty from the very first day of my college. So I did not think about starting any, like, Instagram profile, like saying that I will be an influencer or something like that. I will influence people. It was nothing like it. It just like came up in my mind because I was doing my internship in content creating. So after that, when I, like, got off my internship, so I thought that I can do something in this only. So I thought of first including my voice with my content. So I started podcasting. So my podcast channel name is Catch a Vibe, and I do that every Saturday. I post there every Saturday, and other than that, I am a micro influencer right now in Instagram. So and my journey till now has been very beautiful. It is still very beautiful. People are very supportive, the viewers, and everyone is very supportive. Like, I have some friends and some honest cousins who always encouraged me to, like, pursue fashion. If I'm really interested in something, so you should really pursue. And even if someone is very interested in something, so they should really go for it. They should stop like, procrastinating, that if, like, what if we fail, or what if we, like, because I always had this fear in me that like I might fail, because there are too many influencers, like, Komal Pandey, Dolly Singh. They are literally so amazing, but at the same time you need to think about unique content, because people crave for it. Even I myself crave for unique content. And if being a micro influencer and being a person who always loved unique things, so if I don't create unique content, so people won't like it, and I won't expect them to like it. So at the same way, so it goes hand in hand. So because of all the encouragement that I got from like my fellow classmates, my friends, my honest cousins, they told me that I have a good fashion sense and, like, a good makeup sense also. So I should really go for this. And I have a hand in cooking also, so I love cooking. So being a micro influencer, I put, like, cooking stories in my Instagram also. So I've been doing all of this because it's in my interest, and I have loved fashion. I have curated fashion, like, it's so close to my heart, and I would do anything to, like, give my, like, I love to give my whole being to it and whole heart to it, because this is something I really do with all my heart and with all my being. And like, after all the encouragement that I got, it has, like, pushed me towards where I wanted to be. And I'm very glad that I'm here today, like, more confident about it, because when you are in this field, people will definitely criticize you. You need to be out of many traumas, or like the grudges that you did not even think at very first place that people will actually have against you. So they will do anything to criticize you on publicly on a public platform. So it is no big deal for them because they don't understand the hustle that goes behind the back when we make some video or make even a single post, even a single photography post, takes your half an hour at least. A single post takes your half an hour because you need to think about the places and your location, your settings and editing and everything. It takes like half an hour to just create one photography post. So people don't understand that. The people, so I have been through, the people would do anything to criticize someone else's hustle because if because they know they can't be there where a certain person is. So I have been through that phase. I started, when I just started my podcast, so there were 100 people who supported me, and when they saw that I was actually growing in it, so I literally have today 50 people of them. So so this thing goes on, and I literally don't expect if anyone is this in this field, content creating, so they should not expect anything specific from the audiences because audience could change anytime. And let me break this thing with you because I have literally learned it the hard way. The people who know you, they will not support you that much like the people who don't know you will do, because they know that you came from there where they came from, because you and them are from same areas. So that thing always stays in between. So the strangers is always support you and always ask you about your things or what you're going to do next or anything like that. So that is the thing that has kept me going till now. So I love everything about the thing that I'm doing, and I'm hoping that I will flourish in this only, and I'll go on and on till till the work that I can do, because I'm when I've started it, so I've thought it with something that yes, I will make it to the some levels, that people will actually know that yes, someone like Saurabhi Das exists. So yeah, so that was my whole journey, which kept me going on always. I have my other creator friends who are very supportive, who know the hustle basically. So they support each and every time that I do anything. So I wish that this goes on forever, and I'm really glad to be here sharing my experience with all of you today. And thanks to Smilo, literally thanks to Smilo. So yes, that was my whole journey, because I have just started, so I don't have that much. But yes, the only thing that I've been through till now, I've shared each and everything with you guys. So follow me on Instagram also. My name is Saurabhi Das, and my username is my forehead shines. So do follow me there, and yes, please, and I'm thanking the viewers and the people who will be viewing this video, and I'm thanking to all the listeners, and I'm thanking the team Smilo for giving me this opportunity. And please share and comment on this video, and especially Smilo, please their page. They are a very honest group of people who have just started a very nice initiative to provide education to. So my dearest gratitude to everyone, to my listeners, to Smilo, and yes, follow me on Instagram also. Thank you so much. Bye bye.